嗱，個 sales of real property by a conditional installment contract of sales give the buyer。嗱，將個地產個買賣咧，如果佢係用 conditional installment contract 咧，即使好似 vendor 同 vendee 咁樣，係俾個 buyer 乜嘢咧？就係俾個 buyer 三樣嘢。Right of possession 俾個 buyer 咧可以入去間屋住啦。Estate of inheritance 就係已經過咗去㗎啦，俾咗佢㗎啦。咁咧，如果佢唔要咧，佢係要有嗰個 legal title 係點啊？第三 freehold estate， 咁所以咧答案就係 A、B、C 啦。嗱喺呢度咧有一個解釋 ，When property is sold by means of conditional installment sale contract，the buyer has a right， 嗰個 buyer has a right to possess and use the property. He also has a fee simple estate which is freehold estate and inheritable。我哋最緊要咧係要記得 conditional installment sale contract。